I just want to make a disclaimer. Do not judge. I've only installed a wig once, so I'm very much beginner friendly. Everything I have learned has been from YouTube. So yeah, don't judge. This is a judgment free zone. But if you want to see how I like this hair plus how I installed it, make sure you stay tuned for the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video. Okay, so this is how the hair came to me in this cute little box, and you just slide it, and then it has the wig cap and the hair in there. I already had a wig cap on, so I didn't really need that, but comes in handy. So the hair comes in this little plastic bag. It did come with a little black net on there, but I had already took the hair out and looked at it, and then it came with a little paper in the middle to keep the shape of the wig. So this wig has 3 clips, 2 on the side and then 1 in the middle at the front. I take that back, 4 clips. So 3 in the front basically, and then 1 in the back. This is a curly closure 4x4 closure wig. So this is how the hairline looks, and it already has like the little baby hairs that just need to be cut, but the curl pattern is really cute, and I can already tell that once I wet it, it's gonna be super defined. So now I just got my wig cap on. I made sure that I pulled it down, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over the front of the wig so that I can lay that wig cap down. And this was a mess, y'all. I was getting that spray everywhere. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so yeah, it was getting everywhere, as y'all can see me leaning my head back. So then I just took my blow dryer, put it on low, and I just blow dried where I put the freeze spray literally until it was like dry. And then I went in and put another layer of the freeze spray because I seen this on YouTube. So yeah, and then I went back in with the dryer to dry that second layer of the freeze spray. Okay, y'all, so I was struggling a little bit to put this wig on, so I put it on off camera, and I messed up on my little cap thingy, because y'all know I'm not a professional. Like, I literally only installed the wig like twice. So yeah, the other wigs I don't actually like lay them down, I just put them bitches on. So yeah, so now, and I don't have tweezers, so I'll probably have to go back later and plug. Y'all, your girl is struggling.
Deets is on the beat.
So that is where it's going to be laid. So now I'm just about to put a little bit of Got To Be. And let me dust this damn hair off my forehead. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry down, and then I'm gonna put a second layer, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. So here is the finished look. The hair turned out really cute. I was scared because of the length, but I don't know, it's kind of growing on me. It also has kind of dried because I kind of wanted it to be, you know, bigger. But the hair turned out cute. The hair feels good. The curls are really pretty. It was pretty easy to install, even though your girl was struggling, so do not judge. And yeah, I did experience a little shedding, but that's normal with curly hair. It wasn't anything excessive. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair type of videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.